we've been through a lot of simulations for this spacecraft to, go through all sorts of iterations of failures. And I think where we are right now and what we know right now and how the spacecraft flew as it was coming in to do the docking as Butch described, I feel confident that if there was a problem with the International Space Station, we can get in our spacecraft and we can undock, talk to our team, and figure out the best way to come home.
Coming through in her blue flight suit. And followed shortly behind by Commander of Starliner, Butch Wilmore, now back on the space station, the third visit for both astronauts.
We are very happy.
Yes, indeed. Yeah, we are thrilled as well. I'm not sure we could have gotten a better welcome. I mean, we had music, we had Matt was dancing. It was
in Starliner, on an Atlas V, and then here on the International Space Station. It just doesn't get much better.
Yeah, we're ready to go to work for the international part.
It was such a great welcome, little dance party, and that's the way to get things going. And we're just happy as can be to be up in space.
And Suni and I are honored to share this dream of spaceflight with each and every one of you. So with that, LC, let's get going. Now let's put some fire in this rocket, and let's push it to the heavens.
Thanks for the heads up, Alex. Either in the bit or on the pad, probably.
Damn it.